What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer, a game changer in the world of printing technology. This incredible device is packed with innovative features that will take your printing experience to the next level. From its intelligent auto-cleaning system to its high-speed and high-definition printing capabilities, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their printing game. One of the most impressive features of the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is its intelligent auto-cleaning system. This built-in self-cleaning technology allows you to set automatic cleaning timers, ensuring that your printer's printhead is always in perfect condition and preventing clogging. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your device is always functioning at its best. But that's not all. The printer also comes with a 2-year supply of free ink and powder, which is a huge cost saver. With this offer, you'll get 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 g of powder every 2 months, which is a savings of over $1,000 on supplies. This is an unbeatable deal that will keep your printing costs down and your productivity up. Another standout feature of the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is its high-speed and high-definition printing capabilities. Equipped with an industrial-grade XP600 printhead and an ultra-high resolution of 2880 by 1440 dpi, this printer can produce stunning prints with precise droplet control and smoother gradients. The variable size droplet technology, VSDT, ensures that every print is of the highest quality, and the ICC color calibration curves enhance the color accuracy. With a daily output of up to 180 sheets, this printer is perfect for businesses and individuals who need to produce large quantities of prints quickly and efficiently. And with the ability to print one A3 sheet in approximately 3 minutes, you'll be able to get your work done fast. The MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer also features an innovative anti-blocking technology, which is a 3-in-1 anti-clogging system that includes continuous ink circulation, automatic mixing, and an ink particle filtration system. This system works together with the automatic cleaning to ensure smooth nozzle performance and virtually eliminate clogging. This means you'll never have to worry about your printer getting clogged or malfunctioning, which can be a huge time saver and stress reducer. The printer also comes with a multi-function control panel that allows you to check nozzles, clean print heads, and adjust layouts directly from the LCD panel. The one-touch ink filling system eliminates messy hands and stained clothes, making it easy to use and maintain. In addition to its impressive features, the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer also has an advanced dual alarm system that alerts you when the ink is low or when the waste ink is overflowing. This ensures that you'll never run out of ink or have to deal with a messy overflow. The printer's high-performance motherboard and LCD multi-function control panel make it easy to navigate and use, even for those who are new to printing. With its intuitive interface and advanced features, this printer is perfect for anyone looking to take their printing to the next level. In conclusion, the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer is an incredible device that is packed with innovative features and technologies. From its intelligent auto-cleaning system to its high-speed and high-definition printing capabilities, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to elevate their printing game. With its 2-year supply of free ink and powder, you'll be able to save money on supplies and focus on what matters most, producing high-quality prints. So if you're looking for a printer that can keep up with your demands and produce stunning results, look no further than the MZK A3 Pro XP600 DTF printer. Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing device and take your printing to the next level. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize